Family TV.
1 is the lion, king of the land. He gives a roar so big and grand. 2 is the tiger with stripes so neat. He walks so proud on silent feet. 3 is the giraffe, tall and slim. She eats the leaves right from the limb. 4 is the monkey, swinging so fast from tree to tree. He's having a blast. 5 is the hippo, big and round. He splashes and plays with a thumping sound. 6 is the elephant, strong and wise, with flapping ears and giant size. 7 is the zebra, black and white. She gallops fast, what a sight. 8 is the panther, smooth and black. She sneaks around and never looks back. 9 is the jaguar, fierce and bold. He climbs the trees and breaks the mold. 10 is the croc with a toothy grin. Watch him swim, he's quick to begin. Let's count again, just me and you. Wild animals from 1 to 2 to 10. Let's count again, come on, let's go.